This is the disc belt sander combination. This would be used for sanding any materials after it comes off the CNC or just any kind of sanding. When you turn this on, everything's going to be spinning at the same time. So you want to be aware when you're using this and this machine's on, that is also going to be moving. So make sure that nothing's in the way of the machine when you turn it on. Again, you want to have your material away from the sandpaper. You don't want to be material engaged, or it'll take off. So your job is to hold the material down to this table and then push it into the sander. For the disc sander, if you use this side of the sanding disc, it's going to fly over there. So we're really working on this area unless you have a longer piece. So we're going to create a curve on this piece. The on-off switch is here, so I'll turn it on. Make sure you have glasses. Dust is going to fly up. And then, keeping this material flat, come into the sander. And shape the sand however you want. You can also come over to the belt. You can sand the whole edge. Your job on this machine is really to keep the material flat on the table. If you don't do that, the sander's going to pull it down or push it up. Otherwise, this table can angle. If you need to sand something at an angle, you can release this and change the angle of the table. Just make sure to set things back to 0 when you're finished. And that's the sander.